Find the slope of the line through the following pairs of points. So we have a point -4, 7 and 2, 5. Okay? Now, the slope formula says y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay? Students always have trouble with this because they wonder which one is x1, y1 and which one's x2, y2. So instead of using this, just remember y is on the top and x is on the bottom. And we'll write it like this. So kind of do away with this over here and let's just think about this for a minute. Okay. Now let's use 5 for this point right here. Okay. Now what x lines up with the 5? What x goes with the 5? So line that 2 up, which goes with the 5, right underneath the 5, put the 2. So this is the x that goes with that y. So when you put 7 here for the other y value, what goes down here? This -4 must go here. Okay? All right, now I have 5 take away 7. So my slope now, 5 take away 7. And then we have 2 minus a -4. Minus a -4 is going to be a +4. So I have 2 plus 4 is, and so I have a negative slope. I can reduce both of these by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. This answers my question, okay? What is the slope? -1/3. What does that look like? Well, let's graph the first point. Here are my 2 points. I'm going to graph the first one, and then I'm going to graph the second one, and see what a -1/3 slope looks like. So when you graph, you're talking about 0, 0, and then go left 4, right? Go left 1. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. The coordinates for this point are -4 and 0. And then we're going to go up to 7. So go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's my first point right here. Now let's graph the second point. Start at the origin and go 2 to the right. Okay, and then go up how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is what my graph looks like. Now let's go back to that slope of -1/3 we had here. Okay, let's think about this. If I go from this point to this point, I would go down 1 and over 1, 2, 3, down 1 and over 1, 2, 3, down 1 and over 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, do you see what a slope of -1/3 looks like? From any one of these points, you would go up 1 and over 3 to the left. As you go up, you go to the left. That's why it's a negative slope. So this is what your line looks like. Your answer, the slope, is a -1/3.